Welcome to the Ultimate Luxury Challenge. From marble floors to rooftop infinity pools, every choice you make reveals your taste for elegance and power. So get ready to choose between modern, royal, or futuristic luxury and see what your mansion becomes by the end. What type of mansion would you build? Every dream starts with the perfect foundation. What kind of entrance would your mansion have? First impressions set the tone for your entire mansion. Choose your living room style. Where luxury meets comfort. What type of pool will your mansion have? Dive into pure elegance. Choose your bedroom vibe. Sweet dreams in pure luxury. Pick your dream kitchen. Cooking has never felt this elegant. Choose your bathroom style. Relaxation redefined. What kind of home theater would you have? Movie night, but make it luxury. Pick your garage style. Where horsepower meets luxury design. Find the odd one out. Awesome! Choose your mansion location. Where would you call home in luxury style? Pick your dream balcony. Step out to endless views of elegance. What type of lighting do you prefer throughout your mansion? The right light can transform every moment. Choose your home office design. Work hard, dream bigger. Pick your dream closet. Because luxury starts with your style. Choose your dining area. Every meal deserves a masterpiece setting. What kind of staircase will you have? Your steps to luxury start here. Pick your personal gym design. Stay fit in the lap of luxury. Choose your library style. Where imagination meets sophistication. Guess the household item by the emoji. Great! It's a bed! Choose your mansion rooftop design. Your rooftop is your crown of luxury. Pick a luxury feature to add. Every mansion deserves a touch of indulgence. What kind of backyard feature would you choose? The perfect backyard completes your paradise. Choose your mansion flooring. Luxury begins from the ground up. What type of garden would you love? A mansion's beauty blooms in its garden. Choose your luxury relaxation room. Every king or queen needs a space to unwind. Pick your mansion's outdoor view. Every view tells your story of success. Choose your luxury guest room style. Make every guest feel like royalty. Pick your dream bathroom view. Luxury is soaking with a view like no other. Find the odd one out. Great! You found it! Choose your mansion transportation feature. Travel in style, because luxury never waits. Pick a luxury hobby room. Your passions deserve a mansion of their own. Choose your private relaxation feature. Every corner of peace adds to your palace of dreams. Pick your favorite luxury material. The right materials define timeless elegance. What type of ceiling design will your mansion have? Look up, even your ceilings tell a story of grandeur. Choose your private luxury getaway. Your mansion isn't complete without a dream escape. Pick your security feature. Safety and luxury, the ultimate power combo. Choose your mansion exterior color palette. Color speaks louder than words in luxury design. Pick your dream hallway style. Every step through your mansion should feel like a red carpet. Choose your luxury lighting feature. Let your mansion glow with personality and power. And there it is, your dream mansion, built one choice at a time. Whether it's a glass rooftop paradise, a royal palace, or a futuristic smart home, your mansion is a reflection of you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fun Would You Rather quizzes.